teachings.
The book titled Swami Vivekananda and Shillong, written by city-based author Mala Bika Bisharat, was released today. Speaking after the release of the book, the author said that the inspiration of writing this book is about the place at Batti Bazar, Laban, where Swami Vivekananda stayed in April to May 1901 for almost 20 days during his last public tour to East Bengal and Assam. She also said it is very unfortunate to see the place where Swami Vivekananda once stayed in a dilapidated condition. The heritage site is under litigation and a big storeroom has been built in place of the heritage place, the author said.
Very unfortunately, this land is under litigation for many years, but I wish that Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, they also look after this matter and solve the litigation. They will hand over to state government, and with the help of and cooperation of Ramakrishna Mission and state government and all you, this land will be protected in the future as a heritage site after the memory of Swami Vivekananda.
The Meghalaya